What's up guys? HP Tuners dropped some exciting news on us last week. They cracked the PCM for the C7 ZR1. We've got some exciting new products ready to go. We've been on the engine dyno developing LT5 products since late 2018 in anticipation of being able to tune the car. Now that we're able to tune the car, here are the products that we have right now. First is our CNC ported LT5 throttle body. Now this product doesn't even require tuning, it was just released as a bolt-on for your ZR1. Next, our LT5 CNC ported heads. We've been working over the last several years improving airflow on LT cylinder heads, and we offer CNC porting for the intake and exhaust runners, valve job, hand blending, and bowl work, as well as a new CNC chamber port to maximize airflow on the LT5 head. Another product is our CNC ported supercharger. Now we've been porting LS9, LSA, and LT4 superchargers for a while now, and we've applied that same technology to the LT5 supercharger. You can have it ported for the production throttle body or for larger throttle bodies. While we were on the engine dyno, we found that the LT5 supercharger wanted even more airflow than our 103mm throttle body could provide. That's why we developed and are about to release our 112mm throttle body for TVS 2650 superchargers such as the LT5. Also this week, we're on the engine dyno validating our camshaft for the LT5. Look for that video coming soon showing the camshaft and the 112 throttle body. With all this extra power, we're always looking for ways to be able to put that power to the ground. Check out the DSC Sport suspension control module and available DSC Sport tractive shocks to help plant the power when launching and improve cornering. You may have also noticed that we've been pushing the limits of the stock crank rods and pistons in a previous video where we applied twin turbos to the LT5. Check out that video and the link below. Don't forget, we not only sell these products in our online store, we also install them in our full-service car shop. Here at Katech, it's our passion to be on the cutting edge of the newest vehicles, products, and services to get the most out of your car. Contact us today to talk about what we can do for your ZR1.